What is going on, guys and gals? My name is William Clark, and welcome back to the fucking walkthrough of Sonic Heroes camera. Fuck. I'm about to beat the dick right out of your ballsack. Fine. Well, watch the damn opening. Not. Okay. That's not bad. It's not bad doors. Better off playing fucking Bioshock. Nah, just kidding. I like Bioshock. I also like this game. Take a look, damn. Where the fuck were we last time? Did I finally beat that one stage? That wasn't a real canyon. I fucking hate it. Let's go to the Frog Forest. If I've already done Frog Forest, I'm doing it again. Because I really don't give a shit. And giving a shit is something I don't do often. And at this point, I still don't. Anyways, guys and gals, so the only thing that's really an issue in this level is the bottomless pit. The enemies are not that bad. Be careful not to die. Wait. I got 15 lives, so I'm good. I'm good like chocolate pussy. I don't know what the hell that has to do with anything, but I don't give a shit. The frog doesn't even kill you, so don't worry about that. Coin. And you can't fall off that. Well, actually you can if you're a fucking idiot. But also, why are you even going to a frog forest anyway? Yeah, no shit. Get the key, even though that key is really meaningless, you don't really need that. The only reason you really ever need a key is to end up other stuff. And by other stuff I mean doing that. No, just kidding. So get the fuck out there. Yay. But yeah, you're going to need keys if you really care about lives all that much. And let me tell you, the final fucking stage, you will, now I repeat, you will need all the damn lives you can get. So save them up as much as you can. Because final level, it will fucking, you wish you were dead in reality. That's how hard the stage is. Stages are, fuck, I don't even know, fuck! Okay, whatever. Let's just pretend I never have. You know what, go back down. Here's what happened. 15. Oh. Here's what happened. Oh yeah, you restart. You waste a life because you, I guess, typically restart. So you gotta restart the damn stage, so try your best to conserve your, not HP. What the fuck am I thinking? It's not an RPG. Woo! But, yeah, just try to conserve your health, not, fucking, what the hell? Your lives. Can't even talk for a second. So yeah, just conserve your lives and you should be all good. Because like I said, the final 2 stages in the entire game, because also counting the boss, there's like 3 stages, you would rather die. Like I said, in reality. Simply for the fact, it's so hard. Yeah, that's what she said. Yeah. Also, the frog doesn't do anything special. It's just there, just because your mother's cock is ready anytime. Oh, fuck! Hey, at least I was not far off. Yeah, just in case. Hello, frog. Oh, I do this game. Terrorize. Big O Speedo. Go Speedo. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Then again, what's new? What the fuck is new anyways? Let's go! Woo, 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 woo. Also, do I really need to have Facebook? If I really wanted to live stream, yes. But I don't really live stream all that much on Facebook, so I'm contemplating getting rid of it. Yeah, there's a key over there. Yeah, we get you. Oh, boy. Don't die. For the love of Princess Celestia, don't die. Yeah, flower. Yay, one with the fucking flower, you fucknog. Say go! And... Ah! Woo! That is going to be really hard. That's what she said. Face is right. Now let's play a bonus stage. Because I got a fucking key that isn't really required for anything. So like I said... A rank? Oh... Remember when I said that the first A rank I ever got as the biggest accomplishment I ever did as a gamer? Well, or something similar? Yes, that is true. But I'm getting more A ranks, though. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh. Fuck you! I don't like that thing. Obviously, they have to make these stages harder, otherwise you would be getting all the Chaos Emeralds, getting one up the dick immediately, 24/7. And thus, meaning you can easily, basically, kill this game. So, yeah, just, never play as the flying character in these. I don't know if I already said that or not, but now that I actually have, fuck you. You know, the more they give you the options, first of all, the flying character is slower than a bag of tortilla chips up your ass. Second thing is that, you know, it's just not worth it. It's so awkward to control in this fucking stage. What the hell is it? What the fuck? This, you know, why are you doing this? Fucking game. Just stop. What the fucking shit? I'm going to open new thing if I have to fucking do this shit again. I don't even care anymore. No, I'm so done. I am so done. No, why? I'm so fucking done. Why am I done? Because the stage will kick my ass if I don't. Come on, Charles, give me what I want. What I really, really want. Nope, not that. I don't want that. No, I said I don't want that. Fuckers. Come on, you fuck nugget. Fuck you. Shit. Fuck. And that That is why you should never fucking play as a goddamn motherfucking piece of shit saliva and ballsack fucking flying character when you're doing one of those stages. But I still love this game. I feel like if I ever complain about something, I also gotta back it up with saying that I love this game. Because either way, I feel like people are gonna get the wrong idea. Yeah, I wonder what. Ah, that's this guy. Fuck you. Black frog summon. That's racist. Ah, who cares? Fucking spend a fuck, shit, dingle dick and vagina eggnog penis salad. You really don't give a shit about your damn frog. Is that what you're all concerned about? I mean, seriously, just let Eggman take over the damn world. Forget about that thing. Yeah, you racist son of a fucking cock. I don't even give a shit who's being racist in this game, if anyone is. Racism isn't... I mean, it exists, but it shouldn't. I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying. I don't really care what I'm saying either. This game will make you drop your balls and frisk me. Does that make any sense to you? No. But it doesn't make any sense to me either. Ah, damn black frog. Throwing all plant life. You know what it reminds me of? Back in the day. Fuck! That's what that reminds me of. Back in the day, fuck. Back in the day, is when segregation used to be a thing. People treated black people, and anyone that wasn't white, as not only cancerous, shut the fuck up, piece of fucking shit, fucking asshole, bitch, sack of nuts. But anyways, like I was saying, actually people used to think that black people were poisonous. And people still to this day think that. And those people that think that need to get their throat slit and fucking cut open with a gouge of fucking cement. Place it to their throat where they will fucking drown in their own blood. Does that make any sense? No. How does that work? I don't know. I don't give a shit. But racism shouldn't even exist. And yet, it does. Because people want to be fucking bastards on the whole damn thing. People are just a bunch of eggnogs. Crackheads. You know, it's like saying that all Mexicans are drug dealers. Hey, Trump, shut the fuck up before you end up fucking pissing off the whole damn world. Oh wait, you already have. I don't want to bring politics into a game, but I just did. Because I don't know. I really don't even care anymore. This game is a good game. Let's just fucking play this shit. Even though I'm gonna get my throat slit by every single game person that ever played video games in the damn life. As well as, I'm gonna fucking die. Because this game is fucking diarrhea coming out of bullshit. Not just kidding. Like I said, I love this game. This game is life. Fucking kill yourself. I'll sue you. I'll sue you if you don't kill yourself. Fucking thing. Go on. Fuck you. 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 Fuck you times 100. Fuck you times 1,000. I will fucking personally take this game and sniff it. Doesn't make any fucking sense. I don't even give a damn if you're a crackhead. Do all the drugs you want. Drugs don't affect me in any damn way. Let me tell you something. I feel like marijuana should have never been illegal. Because marijuana does nothing but help you. It actually slows cancer down. So you don't get cancer as bad as, you know, if you smoke it, as opposed to if you have never smoked it. I don't care if you can't fucking shit stick and turtle bark! I don't give a shit. Fucking die, you fucking game. Blah, blah, blah. I don't care about you, game. Just fuck up. I don't care if you're a crack pussy. Fuck this game. I'm done. I don't need you. I don't need anyone. I'm a loner. I'll just play as a rabbit. Play as a fucking rabbit. Shit. Finally, you can actually see how she walks. Oh, you need them? Oh! Isn't that fucking good? Oh, wait, it's not good. Skin. Makes you go high as fuck. Makes you smoke crack to your warthog's penis. And I don't care if you die a virgin. Oh, wait, this game probably has sex with its own damn self. Fuck this. At least I don't care about this entire fucking realm of people. Come on. Really? You fucking get a life taken out of your dick. You know what? Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Besides, you get fucking rings out of it. Like, who cares about rings? Like I said, as long as you only have one, you can't die! Actually, you can still die no matter what, as long as you have, like, 1 ring, 100 rings, about 1 million. Who cares? Still gonna get raped. Gonna get raped in this fucking game. Fuck you, you piece of dick swallower! Yeah. Get that cream line. I don't care about falling dildos, you fuck. Fuck you. Give a shit. Fucking this game. Fuck 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 this game. What the hell was that? You're telling me to switch to the fucking floor. Have a seizure! Have a seizure with me. Fucking piece of fucking shit, fucking asshole. You know what I said? That fucking does it. I don't have any idea. I know I'm rushing things, but fucking piece of dick slobber. Don't do that again. I'll beat the stick out of your fuck. What the hell's a fuck? I don't know. I don't care. It's not my damn problem if this game somewhat sucks. You know what? I remember this game being a hell of a lot better when I first played it back in the early 2000s. Well, not early 2000s. Well, I guess early 2000s. When did I have this game first? I don't even know. The only thing I know is that a fan has sent me this game, so I'm excited that I actually get to play my childhood game. Who cares about fruit? Fruit can go kill itself. Only good fruit is banana. Is it even possible to fuck? Yes, it is possible to fuck. No. You know, after a while, you just gotta say fuck it. I don't care you fart and slobber all over the damn place. It's not my... Ooh, purple. Usually purple's a bad thing, but in this game it has no effect on you. Wait, does it? No, it doesn't. It's decoration. Usually poison. I don't give a fuck! Fuck it! Kill yourself! Kill yourself! I'll fucking do it for you. Sure. Never penis a penis, a penis is a penis. If you penis a penis, then your mother's cock will surely break in half. I don't care if you're an asshole. I'm an asshole. This world is a fucking asshole. Who cares about dick saliva when all you do is fuck this thing? I don't even care about the Chaos Emeralds anymore. Fuck the Chaos Emeralds. Who needs them? They're not essential for beating this game.
Not too bad, I guess.
Chaos Emeralds were never meant to beat the boss. It only makes it a lot easier. Extra attack, extra blah, blah, blah.
Excuse me, miss. I was wondering if I could ask you something.
If that was it, it'll have to win.
Jay! You think this is a joke, you little brat? No, he's thinking of it.
I thought you said it was just a couple of cows.
What? It's not nice to see my friends.
Yeah, time to rock and roll.
Oh, great. A team battle against another fucking team. Like, who in the dick?
There's gotta be a major misunderstanding here, but we can't back down now.
It's got good music. Oh, you... That was easy! That was easy as fucking shit pie!
It's not nice to make fun of my friends.
Shut the fuck up, fucking idiot. You mentally retarded piece of fuck. I do not like that thing. That thing is not... Who wrote that thing? I'm sure you might be an intelligent person. Yeah, I said might. But why would you do it? Why would you...
I think we're wrong.
Come on, you guys. Don't you want to fight? Come on, Froggy. We can do this.
I'm trying to get stuff for all of us.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Never mind. I'm done. I'll... fuck it. Shit. Fucking 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 shit. What the fuck was that? If you like this video, please give a like. If not, that's fine too. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts on the whole fucking thing. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon down below. Oh my god. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, people. Brother. In your face.